Have you ever recorded a long video, felt proud of the content, and then watched it sit unused because you did not have hours to slice it into short posts? That gap between creation and publishing is where most creators lose momentum. This is where Reap becomes surprisingly powerful. It turns long recordings into short, viral, ready-to-post clips fast enough to make you wonder how you ever managed without it. What grabbed my attention first was how it handles everything in one place. From identifying strong moments to preparing captions in many languages, all without juggling multiple tools. It feels like a shortcut built specifically for busy creators who want results fast. What makes Reap interesting is its ability to read your long videos and instantly pull out strong moments with real viral potential. Instead of guessing which parts to cut, the system finds hooks, highlights talking points, and forms short clips that already look platform-ready. You can refine everything through a simple transcript-based editor where cutting, rearranging, and cleaning up audio takes only a moment. It also produces accurate captions in many languages, applies on-brand styling, and can even create voice duds that stay close to your tone. This can help creators reach new audiences in different regions without extra work. Another surprising strength is how it manages your full workflow. Projects, versions, scheduling, and publishing are all under one roof, so you do not need to shift between different editing or social media tools. For creators, agencies, or social media teams, the time saved becomes the real advantage. The AppSumo lifetime deal makes this tool far more appealing. Instead of paying a recurring fee, you can secure lasting access at a one-time price that is significantly lower than traditional editing software. For anyone producing long recordings, running a social media channel, or handling client content, the value offered under this deal is substantial. If you want to speed up your content workflow, expand your reach with multilingual clips, and publish short videos without spending hours editing, this offer is worth claiming before the price increases.